Katie Leverett here, and I am excited to tell you about Wine Crush Wednesdays. Yay! What we're going to do each Wednesday is tell you a tip about wine and feature a bottle of wine. So maybe you'll see a bottle of wine that you really want to try out and learn a little bit about it. I love wine, and I'm excited that we are being sponsored today by the Wall Street Journal Wines. This is an awesome wine club. They ship directly to your door. It comes in multiple different options of how you want to become a member. And they are offering Sip Hooray viewers a $120 discount. So I am super excited about this partnership. I think it's a program that you guys are going to love at home. So go to my blog, click on the link, check it out. It's a great product. You're going to save some money, and if you end up purchasing a membership, they actually will pay me a little bit of money as well. So let's go ahead and get started. I want to tell you a little bit about one of my most favorite wines. It is called Butter, and it is awesome. It is made by Jam Cellars, which is based out in Napa Valley, California. It's a great mid-priced range bottle of Chardonnay. It was about $17. You can find it at your local retailer. I did purchase this at the grocery store, so they sell it in grocery stores and liquor stores and wine stores as well. It has a really rich and bold, kind of super buttery taste. It's got a little bit of hints of citrus in there, and it's not too oaky, which I absolutely love. Honestly, it's a great wine. It tastes very buttery, and I love it. Again, it's called Butter, hence the flavor, and it's a great option. So have you guys ever gotten a bottle of wine and you're thinking, oh, I cannot wait to try this butter, it's so good, but it's warm, and you're like, I don't want to pop it in the refrigerator and let it cool for a couple hours. So this is a quick tip. Simply take a damp paper towel, wrap the bottle up, and make sure to cover it and kind of just squeeze it around to where it forms around the bottle. And then you're going to pop it in the freezer. I actually already have a bottle in the freezer that I popped in there about 5 minutes ago. Ooh, it's super cold. And so you can see I have the damp paper towel, and it actually feels a little bit frozen right now. So it's a little bit crunchy, which is a good thing. And then you can just open it right up, and you have a chilled bottle of wine. It takes about 5 minutes, but it's a lot quicker than just popping it in the refrigerator. One thing I do want to mention is do not forget about that wine in the freezer, because it will freeze and it will explode in your freezer and you get a huge mess. So I just really want to thank you guys for joining me for Wine Crush Wednesday. Remember to go out and check the blog so that you guys can save $120 on a wine membership with the Wall Street Journal Wines. It's a great opportunity and a great savings for you guys. Check out Butter, and cheers. Have an awesome Wednesday. I appreciate your time.